It's a new year and a new you, a perfect time to take charge of your life. Now, as we get older, our hormones decline, and that can cause unwanted symptoms. But you can take charge and change your life, and it all starts with this, bioidentical hormone replacement. Now, it sounds complicated, but George Thompson is here to explain how it's really very simple. George is the owner of Total Med Solutions, and with us today are also Victoria Emmott and Steve Quarter. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Guys, we're going to get to your great story in just a minute, but George, let's start with you. Other physicians are out there doing hormone replacement now, but what sets Total Med Solutions apart from them?
Amy, we specialize in bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. Our experts will come in and help increase your energy levels, your motivation, your strength, endurance, and with that, we can actually help reduce your irritability and depression. So it really changes people's lives. We monitor your levels, make any changes necessary, and I think that's why so many doctors from the Dallas-Fort Worth area come to our clinics for their own testosterone treatments.
Wow, that's good news right there. Well, who benefits from bioidentical hormone replacement?
You know, really, anybody over 30 years of age benefits, because when you look at hormone replacement therapy, you know, the numbers are 96% of the patients that walk through the doors have low levels of testosterone.
Wow, that's pretty staggering thought. Okay, so let's take it back a few years ago, George. Sure. I understand you were involved in a car accident.
Yeah.
Okay, what happened then?
Well, it was a car accident. In fact, that's a hip replacement that I had right after the car accident. And since then, I've actually had 3 total hip replacements. You can see there's 17 screws, plates, wires, and I was in constant pain for those 23 years.
I'm sure.
Within a matter of months after testosterone therapy, my pain went away, and I'm able to resume a normal life.
Wow, I bet you thought you never could do that, and that's motivation to so many people watching. Okay, Victoria, you too are on hormone replacement as well. Tell us your story.
Yes, I was on synthetic hormone replacement for years, but it wasn't until I got on bioidentical hormone therapy that I really started to feel the change. It's, George said it all, the symptoms, the moodiness, the depression, anxiety. I take care of patients all day long that are improved and feel better and their life is improved, and I just want women to know that they don't have to feel bad.
Yeah.
Hormone replacement is a good thing.
That's such good news. Okay, and we have Steve here also. Steve, thanks for joining us
Sure.
today. Now, you are a veteran firefighter with more than 28 years of experience. Now, we think of firefighters as kind of macho guys, but you decided to seek treatment. Why?
Well, you know, I have a lot of the same symptoms that other guys had: low energy, stamina problems, issues with lack of focus, and you know, for me to have an issue like that on top of a roof cutting a hole or in a building pulling a hose is not a good thing. So I knew there was a problem. My workouts weren't the same, and so I sought treatment with the clinic, and part of the added benefit that I received was not only the increase in strength and stamina, it was also a leveling out of my sleeping patterns, because, you know, firefighters, we all have sleep problems.
Yeah,
and
sure.
you know, we're on 24 and we're off 48,
Yeah.
so we really don't have a good pattern. And that leveled itself out, and less moodiness, and, you know, the quality of my life improved so much better.
Wow, that's such good news. I'm sure that makes you smile, George, when you hear these great testimonials. Okay, this is a big takeaway for people today. Why should men and women be checking their testosterone levels?
Well, the fact of the matter is, if your hormones are out of balance, you're out of balance. And I think folks watching the show will be surprised to learn how affordable and inexpensive hormone replacement therapy is. And you owe it to yourself to pick up the phone, give us a call, let's help change your life.
Who doesn't want to feel better, right?
Yeah.
You guys
That's right.
are testimonials right here, all saying different parts of your life, obviously different sexes as well, and you're all benefiting from this great change.
Correct.
Guys, thanks for being here and sharing your personal stories with us today. We appreciate it. And if you want more information about hormone replacement therapy, all you have to do is go to totalmedsolutions.com or just pick up the phone and give them a call. It's 214-987-9200. Over to you, Tom.